Okay, so here's why you're not going to want to miss this Rappatoni Power User Workshop. In this workshop, what we're not going to show you is the basics, how to log into MLS, how to use the single sign-ons for the other MLS reciprocal MLSs. What we are going to show you how to do is to create things like contact groups that allow you with buyer now, buyer 60, buyer 90, buyer 120, buyer 180 plus to organize your buyer searches and have more than 80 buyer searches running at the same time, and still have systems within your calendar to remind you or your teammates, your buyer's agents, to contact and keep up with the people in your pipeline. This will work great for those of you who are looking at longer term pipelines like occur with internet lead generation. We're going to show you things like when you do if you're a listing agent and you don't want to recreate your searches, or you're doing BPOs, or you're doing REO and the kind of things that require recurring searches and being kept automatically up to date with what the competition is for your listings on the market, how to actually efficiently do that by using the map search, by going in and choosing a map area. Once that map area comes up, let's say that you're going to be in this neighborhood in the Santa Rosa area, let's say up here in the hills above the fairgrounds, right? So you're going to create this search area right here, and you want to be kept up to date on everything that's going on in here. So what you're going to do is you'll create that, and then you'll put in your search parameters, anything that's sold in the last, let's say, 90 days back. And once you're done creating all your searches, I'm not going to do here, what you're going to do is you're going to save that search as a new prospect, and you're going to call it, let's say that it's 1234 Main Street is the street, is your listing address. You'll save it as the name of your listing address, and you're going to save it as a prospect. Once it's done, it'll save that search as a prospect, and you'll then go in here, and we're going to show you how to have that search be all set up to manage as a prospect, set up in your groups as a comp search, and then how you're going to manage that with automatic prospecting, and basically anything that's going to pop up, you're going to have it send an email to you. You're not going to use a client portal. You're not going to have it send an email to your prospect, just to you. And so this is going to automatically alert you with any new stuff coming on the market, any active stuff going pending, all around your listing, and everything that you've assigned as comps. Anytime you need to readjust and that kind of stuff. And if you have the detail-oriented prospect that's really going to want to be kept updated, the engineer type seller, you could set them up with a client portal to see the same exact stuff as you. So we're going to go over all this and more in great detail, and basically what you're going to find from this is now you've got all this stuff organized in a prospect cart. You can then save you can reject the listings that are not good comps for your subject property, and then you can save the listings that are the comps that you like for your subject property by moving them to saved. Now you have all your stuff in here, and once you reject the other ones, then what happens is those are rejected for good, and the new stuff that comes up, or any changes that occur in this client portal, are only going to be the changes that occur to your saved ones or new properties coming on the market. So this is a huge tool, and most agents don't use this tool in this way for their listings. So we're going to go really deep with this at this class. So we will see you guys there. Do not come to this class without a laptop with internet access, and of course your MLS access all active and paid and all that good stuff, and a notepad and a pen and an open mind and a great attitude, and be ready to learn. It's going to be a 2-hour workshop.